The MiConverter 18-module power chassis is a cost-effective mounting and powering solution for MiConverter miniature media converters. This compact chassis is ideal for consolidating multiple media converters into a hot-swappable, high-density form factor with centralized power. Let's walk through the simple installation process. Start by attaching the mounting plate to each MiConverter module. These plates allow the modules to securely lock into the chassis. Slide each module into an open chassis slot. The chassis automatically provides power through the DC barrel connector on the rear of each module. Once inserted, secure each module with the provided screw to ensure a firm and reliable fit. After all modules are installed, apply power to the chassis. The MiConverter 18-module chassis is available with a universal AC, 24 volts DC, or 48 volts DC internal power supply, giving you flexible deployment options. The chassis is less than 1.5 U high and can be mounted in a standard 19-inch equipment rack. Optional rack brackets are available for 23-inch rack installations. The MiConverter 18-module chassis is made in the USA and comes with a lifetime warranty and free 24/7 support. For more information, contact Omnitron Systems today.